And we're back with another tutorial for Conduit. Here we are inside of our Holiday Inn job here. The last thing we did was add Switchboard MS to the collection of equipment inside of this project. But I wanted to take a minute before we move on to talk a little bit about something, like a concept inside of Conduit called collection requirements. So if you go up to the top right up here and you tap that little circle with the three dots inside of it, it's going to bring up this project menu. Now inside of this project menu, you can edit the project details. You can change editing mode, which we'll talk about in a later video. But I want to emphasize right here is the collection requirements. So there are lots of different things that you can collect about a piece of equipment inside a Conduit, and different levels and amounts of detail that you need for different things. At the very top end of that, the most robust collection process is in arc flash analysis. And if you tap on that, you can see that the Switchboard MS there is missing fields that you need for arc flash analysis. If you turn that off, it's going to limit the fields. We're doing, in this process, we're doing an EV readiness survey. So we want to make sure we tap that check mark. Now we've got everything we need in the switchboard for that, but in other pieces of equipment there may be pieces of information that we need, and we need to make sure that that EV readiness survey question mark or check mark is checked. So I'm going to also add this, hit this arc flash analysis here just to show you. I can go back to my Switchboard MS. Actually, I'm going to take it off first and look at the details inside of Switchboard MS, and all we need is the name of that piece of equipment. However, if we go back here and go to arc flash analysis and go back to details, you can see now we need the location, we need the manufacturer, the model number, the dimensions, the phase wire combination, all the things that are really important for arc flash analysis if you're putting in a switchboard. But however, we don't need to collect all the information, so you can turn off arc flash analysis and it'll restrict the values or the information that you need to collect. That means that you can send an apprentice out and they're not getting confused because it's asking for AIC rating and all kinds of wild things like that. It's just going to really make the collection very simple for whoever's out there. So we'll move on to the next video.